After years of being loyal to a different tumbler brand, I've upgraded. I got the BrüMate and this is awesome. I got the box here just because it's so pretty when it arrives. You even get this little bag as well, which I thought just the packaging was awesome. This color has that like almost rainbow effect to it and I love it. The straw is super soft, easy to sip, easy to grip. It does fit in the cup holder, which is great. This is the 40-ounce size. And I love that it's dishwasher safe as well. Nice soft bottom on it too. And then opening it, super simple. I have my ice cubes in there. This will stay cold 24 hours and I do leave it in my hot car. And I love that I can come back and still have cold water, which is amazing. But of course, the best part is the Leakproof. So if you have a different brand, you would know by now it'd be leaking water. Now, obviously, it's gonna come out of the straw. That's like a no-brainer. But otherwise, it's not just dumping water out, which the other one does. So, love this. One of the best tumblers, and I think you're gonna love it as well.